Good morning, children. Now I am going to take the subject EVS. In the last class, I taught Unit 1 or Environment Revision. We saw name the following, then who am I, fill in the blanks, say true or false, yes or no. We saw that question answers and all we saw. Now I am going to revise you Unit 2, My Amazing Body. Take page number 93, children. See here. Honey dash sweet. The dash what will come? Taste. T-A-S-T-E-S. A feather dash soft. Feels soft. F-E-E-L-S. Feels. Jasmine has a pleasant smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. A flower garden looks beautiful. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. The cuckoo makes a musical dash. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. This one is complete the sentence using the words given in the bracket. Take page number 93, children. See and read. Complete the sentence. In the bracket they have given the answers. See here. A. Honey. H-E-N-Y. Honey. T-A-S-T-E-S. Taste. Sweet. Taste. Yes. Sweet. Then A. Feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. F. Feather. Feels. F-E-E-L-S. Feels. Soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. See here. F-E-E-L-S. Feels. Read. F-E-E-L-S. Feels soft. A. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. A jasmine as a pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T. Pleasant. Pleasant smell. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Read the spelling, children. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Then A. Flower garden. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. A flower garden looks beautiful. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Then the cuckoo makes a musical sound. In the before class I taught this one for you. Again I am revising you for you, children. So read and write the exam well. The cuckoo makes a musical. M-U-S-I-C-A-L. Musical sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Honey tastes sweet. A feather feels soft. A jasmine has a pleasant smell. A flower garden looks beautiful. The cuckoo makes a musical sound. Then match. Sugar. For sugar what will come? See page number 93. Sugar sweet. Lemon sour. S-O-U-R sour. Chili spicy. Sea water salty. Then I wrote in the classwork for you. I told you to write in the classwork, no? See. Question answers I am reading now. What is called posture? The position of our body in doing various actions is called posture. What is called posture? The position of our body in doing various actions is called posture. What is called a joint? The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Name some joints in our body. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, knee and ankle. Name the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Children, listen once again. I am reading the question answers. Listen carefully. Take your classwork and see. What is called posture? The position of our body in doing various actions is called posture. What is called joint? The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Name some joints in our body. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, knee and ankle. Name some sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Then who am I? I am the largest sense organ in our body. What is the answer? Say, children. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Find. Who am I? I am reading the question and writing only the answer here. Listen carefully. I am the largest sense organ in our body. What is the answer? Skin. Skin spelling? S-K-I-N. Skin. The next one. I am a sense organ. I smell through it. What is the answer? Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Then fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Dash gives us shape. Answer is bone. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Then a good upright posture prevents backache. In the dash what will come? Backache. B-A-C-H. B-A-C-K. Back. Ache. Dash gives us shapes. What will come in the dash? B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Then a good upright posture prevents dash. Back. Ache. Without bones we will be like dash. The dash what will come? Floppy. F-L-O-P-P-Y. Floppy. Now, name the following. Name an outdoor game. Say, children. Hopscotch. Name an indoor game. Pallanguli. Name a posture. Sitting. See. Children, see. Name the following. I am reading the question. See here. Name a outdoor game. Hopscotch. H-O-P. Hop. S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. பாண்டி விளையாடுவாங்கள்ல, கட்டம் போட்டு சில்ட்ரன்ஸ்லாம் பேகிரி எகிரி குச்சி விளையாடுவாங்க, அதுதான் ஹாப்ஸ்காட்ச். ஹாப் பண்ணி விளையாடுவாங்களே அது. தென் நேம் ஏ இன்டோர் கேம். நேம் ஏ இன்டோர் கேம். பல்லாங்குழி. P-A-L-L-A-N. பல்லாங்குழி. K-U-Z-H-I. பல்லாங்குழி. Then name a posture. Name a P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Name a posture. One position. What position are you going to write? Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Name a posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. See here. Name the following. Name a outdoor game. Hopscotch. H-O-P. Hop. S-C-O-T-C-H. Scotch. Hopscotch. Name a indoor game. Pallanguli. P-A-L-L-A-N-K-U-Z SHI, Pallanguli. Name a posture. Sitting, SITTING, sitting. Then choose. The taste of the lemon is dash. The choice is sour and spicy. The answer is sour, S-O-U-R, sour. An elephant trunk is actually a long dash. What will come? I have given the choice hand and nose. So, nose is the correct answer, N-O-S-E. An elephant trunk is actually a long nose. Then, cotton is very dash to touch. Soft, hard. The answer is soft, S-O-F-T, soft. We should write soft in the dash. Then yes or no? We smell it through our ears. False, F-A-L-S-E, false. This is false. Say true or false. We smell it through our ears. Answer is false, F-A-L-S-E, false, because we smell only through our nose. They have given here. So, it is wrong. So, false is the answer. Elephant loves to play in the water. True. T-R-U-E. True. Standing is a posture. Yes, true. T-R-U-E. True. Wrist is a joint. This wrist is joint only. J-O-I-N-T. Joint. Stone is soft to touch. Stone is very soft. No, stone is very hard to touch. So, it is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Once again listen children. We smell it through our ears. Answer is false. Elephant loves to play in water. Answer is true. T-R-U-E. True. Standing is a posture. True. T-R-U-E. True. Wrist is a joint. True. T-R-U-E. True. Stone is soft to touch. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. All these things you have to revise children. This is second lesson. I already wrote all these question answers. Fill up true or false. Name the following. Who am I and all. I already told you to write in the classwork. All the things you have to read. Read for test. See here. Question and answer. What is called a posture? P-O-S-T-U-R-E. The position. T-H-E. The P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. The position of O-F of our body. B-O-D-Y. Body is the position of our body in doing. D-O-I-N-G. Doing various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various actions. A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions is called. I-S is called posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. What is called a posture? This will give you question. You should write the answer. The position of our body in doing various actions is called posture. Various actions means what? Sitting, standing, lifting, that and all posture action. What is? W-H-A-T. What? I-S is C-A-L-L-E-D. Called a posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. T-H-E. The position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position of O-F of R-O-U-R-R. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. In I-N. In doing. D-O-I-N-G. Doing various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various actions. A-C-T-I-O-N-S. Actions. I-S is called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Is called tortoise shell. What is called joint? Second one, WHAT. What? IS is called. CALLED. Called joint. A joint. 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 The place. TH. The PLACE. The place where two or more bones. Two or more bones meet is called a joint. 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 See here. This one bone. This one bone is meeting at a point. This point is called joint. See here. This one bone. This one bone is meeting. This point is called joint. What is called a joint? TH. The PLACE. Place where. 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 TWO. Two. OR. More. 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 Bones. 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 Meet. 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 IS is called a joint. JOINT is called a joint. Name the sense organs. Next one. Name some joint part in our body. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, knee and ankle. Then name the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. You should read all these questions, children. The revision for unit 2. Before our environment I took. For the exam you should read. Fill in the blanks. Choose. Match. Who am I? Name the following. Question answers. True or false. All the things you have to read. Okay. What and all I wrote in classwork. Read all those things. Okay children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.